Hi, this is Mr. Van Kaplan. Today I'm going to show you the basics of how to program a Lego EV3 robot. On your desktop you should have a file that looks like this. Has a black and red logo. It says Lego Mindstorms. Double click that and open it, and when it loads it'll look like this. To create a file you'll go to File, New Project, and choose Program. Okay. So here it always starts like this as your default. You can click this to get rid of it. You don't need that editor. And you've got different blocks down here. I'm going to make that a little bit bigger so you can see it. It'll take up your full screen. Okay. Here you have a media motor. We don't use that very often. Here you have a large motor. We do use two of those to power the robot you've already built. And also when we add an attachment to do lifting or pushing or pulling, you would use this. Okay, we're going to do move steering to have the robot actually move. To the right here you have move tank. You don't want to do that because we don't have tank treads and they go in opposite directions. So you're going to do a move steering. So you click it and drag it up there. Okay. Starts on ports B and C. That should be where you've plugged your two motors in that are going to power your wheels. And here it's on for rotations. You can keep that. I like to do seconds, so I change it to on for seconds. This means it's moving forward. Okay, you can drag it left or right, and it adds your turns, the sharpness of your turn. Okay, this is your speed. You can adjust that from anywhere from 0 to 100. If you go down negative, notice how it makes your robot go backwards and reverse. So let's go forward at a speed, and you can also type, of 75 for 3 seconds. Okay, so this is your first move block. Once you download the program in, it would go forward at a speed of 75 for 3 seconds. Let's say you want to turn it after that. Okay, your blocks link together. Again, you have to change it to seconds. Okay, and now we want to turn. Let's say we want to turn a right angle. Okay, 50 power. Turn you want to be slower than you're going forward. And I'm going to try that for 0.25 seconds. Okay, and you'll just have to download it and see. Sometimes it's too much. With this programming, there's a lot of trial and error you've got to do to perfect it. So we went forward, we've turned. Let's go forward again. And make sure these blocks snap together. Let's go forward again at a speed of 50 for 5 seconds. And then lastly, we're going to back it up. Okay. Let's go backwards at a speed of -60 for 3 seconds. Okay. So now looking at my blocks, I'm going to go forward for 3 seconds at a speed of 75. I'm going to turn right. I'm going to go forward for 5 seconds. And then I'm going to back up at a speed of 60 for 3 seconds. Okay. So these are your basic programs. I just want you to see how to get the robot actually moving. Okay, and you'll have to download it and go out there and test it in the hallway. Then you'll have to adjust it just to get it just right once we set up our course. Okay, the last thing you want to do before you download it, you want to do File, Save Project As. Okay, the first time you save it, you have to do Save Project As, and it'll save into, let's put it in Documents. Okay, and I'm going to say Lego Obstacle Course. Save that. Okay, it changes the name here. To download it to your robot, you hook up your USB cord. It'll show that you're connected, and you hit this down button, and your brick will make a noise. It makes a little sound that's like a chime. That means you've downloaded it. And then when you go back and change any programs or change any timing or speed, You don't have to do save as. All you have to do is click this disk where it says save project. So if I change this from 3 seconds to 4 seconds, I'd hit save project here and it would fix that. And then I want to go back to 3 seconds, save project. Okay, anytime you make a change, make sure you save it, and then you have to re-download it to the robot. Okay, that's the basics of programming your Lego EV3 robot. Thank you.